year, and we actually recognized Workz last year. They're one of the innovative partners we have because they're very professional, very responsive. You guys are good at coming up with new ideas, strategies to reduce costs, which is really helpful for us. We need a partner like Workz.
I was quite impressed. I've seen a state-of-the-art facility, and the most important, I've seen a lot of people, dedicated and committed people for the quality.
The plant, from the last time I saw it, it is really grown, and a lot of technology has been invested into it that will basically put Workz at the cutting edge of technology in terms of being a partner in business.
I liked mostly the aspects of the testing and how each module is actually managed and tested for it to be within the certain standards and the quality required.
We are partnered with Workz almost 12 years. Since we launched, we are working with them. The new work facilities of Workz was amazing. It has cope up with the latest technology.
Workz is very efficient. They deliver on time. If there's a schedule that has been confirmed, there's never been a slippage, and this is what we are looking for.